What's going on, guys? I'm Sam from Tuned Auto, and today we're going to be doing a diff fluid change on a 2015 BMW M4. So BMW actually recommends servicing the differential fluid every 5th engine oil change. So we're ready to do this on this one. In order to do this, here are all the parts and tools needed to complete the job. Any part numbers and links can be found in the description if you need those. Just to know, the BMW service manual states that you must replace both the fill and drain plug during this service. Feel free to pause the video now, otherwise we'll get right into it. First step we need to do is we need to lift the car up and we need to get it in a level surface. Again, you can do this using 4 jack stands, or in my case, I'm going to give you a quick preview of my new Quick Jack 5000. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the fill plug. I have my 14mm socket. I'm using an extension here so I can kind of get in there. So take this out first. Don't do the drain plug first. You don't want to run into the situation where you drain all your oil out and then you strip the fill plug and now you're stuck with a differential with no fluid in it. So always take out the fill plug first. Once we have the fill plug out, now we can remove the drain plug. So I accidentally bumped my light, so I had to cut the clip here, but essentially take out the drain plug and catch all that oil in your oil catch pan. So once all the fluid has drained out of your diff, you can reinstall the drain plug. What I recommend doing is, I took some of this older fluid, it doesn't really matter, but I always just take a little bit of the fluid and just lubricate the ring on the new drain plug. So once you do that, then you can just kind of clean things up a little bit and install that drain plug and torque it to spec. So using my torque wrench, I'm going to torque this to 45 Newton meters, which is roughly 33 foot-pounds. So once you have your drain plug reinstalled, you can start pumping your fresh fluid into the differential. I have my fluid pump in the top of the bottle, the tube going into the diff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep pumping until the fluid starts to flow out of this fill port. And so that's why it's really critical to make sure that the car is perfectly level when doing this job. So you can see here, the oil is starting to kind of flow out of that fill port. That lets me know that it's done. So I'm going to take a little bit of oil again, lubricate this fill plug, and we are ready to reinstall. So we're just going to screw this in, and then we are going to torque it down to the same spec as a drain plug. It's going to be your 45 Newton meters or 33 foot-pounds for comparison. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Super easy DIY. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer any of your comments that you may have. Again, I have all of the tutorials in my videos on my website, www.tunedauto.com. You can also find some merchandise on there as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I have a bunch of videos on the way, as well as hit that bell icon to get notifications. Again, I'm Sam Monroe from Tuned Auto, and thanks for watching.